this robotic. I got drink, weed, drugs, powder, and narcotics. Hey, I got all the shit that they rub on their gums. Broski got the hook up, man, for Donald Trump. Don't come and start a scene.
What's happening, YouTube? It's about KellBvnds, aka the reaction boss, and we're back in if I put another video for you guys. And yes, you see the set changes every video. Right now we're in Chicago with it, Chicago, Illinois. So right now, if you're watching this video and you're here, I'm gonna be here for another 2 days, so we need to link up. Anyways, we have a song called I'm Supplying. What are you supplying, bro? You supplying your own drugs? We don't know. Anyways, let's see what's happening, people. This music video just came out like yesterday, and it's very lit because I've seen the teaser on Instagram, so y'all need to check this out right now. But let's get straight to this reaction. Let's turn the hell up. Like, comment on this video to see your comment right over there in the next video that I post. You know, be lit over here with the reaction video. So we have KellBvnds, you know, Juski900. That's your pronouncing name, 900. Let's see what's happening, y'all. Let's get straight to this video right now. Earn it. Okay. Hold on, it's like a movie settings. Okay. No, wait, pause. You see that, right? Like, y'all see that, right? Let's go. Yeah.
Anything I want, shorty, I'ma buy it.
Yeah.
Anything I want, shorty, I'ma buy it. I'm my own bloody drugs, yeah, I'm supplying. I keep a smile.
Pause. This song just started, but first of all, anything I tell the dog say want, anything I want, shorty, anything the dog want, him, I'll buy it himself. He's gonna buy it himself. He's his own plug. He's his own plug. He's only, he supplies his own drugs. Let's go.
All on my face, but my soul steady crying.
Yeah.
I'm surrounded by them rosters, real deal lions. Real deal lions. I'm surrounded by them rosters, real deal lions. Ay, anything I want, shorty, I'ma buy it. I'm my own bloody drugs, yeah, I'm supplying.
Junkies phone tap, money in for profit. Ay, slide through the E-way and that what you call it. Boy, I put a root back with a button, this robotic. I got drink, weed, drugs, powder, and narcotics. Ay,
He got everything. He got everything y'all need. He got the drink. He got the weed. He got the dust. Listen.
Boy, I put a root back with a button, this robotic.
Yeah.
I got drink, weed, drugs, powder, and narcotics.
Drink,
Ay,
weed.
I got all this
Listen. Cause I don't know the flavor
that they rub on their gums. Ay, slide through the E-way and that what you call it. Boy, I put a root back with a button, this robotic. I got drink, weed, drugs, powder, and narcotics. Ay, I got all the shit that they rub on their gums. Broski got the hook up, man, for Donald Trump. Don't come and start a scene, is you dumb or something? Once the crackers get involved, then we all get slumped. Ay, step up on the scene, jigging off a beam. No, that's not my homeboy, man, that boy is green. This hit on my face, you want the finer thing? Jot down, give me neck a hole.
Wait, are you rolling in a paper? Let me see what you rolling.
It's green.
You rolling in a bit.
This hit on my face, you want the finer thing? Jot down, give me neck a hole, you're meant to be. If a nigga kill me now, that shit was meant to be. But for now, I keep a 40, that shit gotta be. No, I'm kinda greedy, I want everything. Say a prayer, drop down to your knees, I need everything.
Anything I want, shorty, I'ma buy it. I'm my own bloody drugs, yeah, I'm supplying. I keep a smile on my face, but my soul steady crying. I'm surrounded by them rosters, real deal lions. Real deal lions. I'm surrounded by them rosters, real deal lions.
Yeah.
Anything I want, shorty, I'ma buy it. I'm my own bloody drugs, yeah, I'm supplying.
That's lit. It was lit. Y'all need to go. You gotta go check this out for yourself. You feel me? Click the link down below in the description of this shit. Also pinned in the comment section. Support the artist. Go follow him on Instagram at Ty. You feel me? Everything is down below in the description of this video, and also pinned in the comment section. So go do all of that. You feel me? Song lit. Drop some fire emojis as usual, and I'll see you on another one. It's been about KellBvnds. And we out of here.